series on the seventh seal, and the seventh seal pertains basically to the period of the wrath of God being poured out on the earth and what transpires on the earth during that time. And so far in this teaching, we've had a look at the seven seals that our Lord opened when He took the scroll out of our Father's hand on that particular day. And we saw that when our Lord opened the seventh seal, that it in fact heralded in the sounding what the scripture talks about, we can see what is going to happen in the earth. So how does this particular event take place in the earth? How does God make the earth experience darkness for a third of the day? Well, the way that He does that, if we go to look at a lunar eclipse, a solar eclipse, not a lunar eclipse, the two are different. A solar eclipse is the closest example that we can look at, which shows us how God... And in their mouth was found no deceit, for they are without fault before the throne of God. And so we see that when the seventh trumpet is sounded, that it heralds in now the outpouring of the seven bowls of the wrath of God, which then completes God's wrath on the earth. But at the same time, what happens is the 144,000 are now removed from the earth. And so just as when the seventh seal is opened, and it ushers in now the sound